Hi all, welcome back to my lecture series. This is Muthu Assistant Professor from the Department of Agricultural Engineering. Today we'll see about the continuity of topic which we have seen at the previous class, that is biochemical conversion system, that comes under the unit Advanced Machinery and Equipment in Agricultural Engineering 2 under the subject Automation Techniques in Agriculture Engineering for the students of second year 4th semester. We'll have a small recap which we have seen at the previous class, that is what is the process involved in food process engineering, what are the methods, and what are the energy sources that is necessary for converting them into a biochemical conversion method. What are the sources and under which three categories we are grouping? That is, we have seen the first category as woody forest, and the second one as non-woody, and the last category as animal waste. So now we will see how these kinds of biomass energy is used. The main use is it can be used directly or indirectly. The firewood is the common example of direct use of combustion, but biomass energy can be transformed into other forms of fuel. Ethanol from agricultural crops such as sugarcane and methane from manure and sewage are some of the examples that are suited for indirect use of biomass fuels. This is the process involved in converting the biomass energy. This process is said to be as biochemical conversion system. The main process involved is we are grouping them into three categories. The first category is resources, the second category is the conversion techniques, and the third category is the product output, and the last one is the market, which is does not comes under a market. Sorry, this does not comes under the methods or the processes, but it comes under as a output value. The output is going to be the market value. So here, as I have shown here in the first step, that is the resources. The first resources categorizes into four categories. That is, the first one is solid biomass, which includes wood and straw. And the second one is wet biomass, that is organic waste and manures, like plant and animals organic waste and sewage wastes. The third category is sugar and starch plants, which are obtained from sugarcane, beetroot and cereals. The last category is oil crops, which is categorized under rapeseed and sunflower seeds. So these are going to be acting as a resources for converting them into a product and used under the output market. The first conversion method that is involved in converting the basic resources is combustion, gasification and pyrolysis. These three conversion methods are involved in heat treatment. That is, after combusting the wood and straw, the product which we get from combustion will be heat. And after the biomass involved with gasification and pyrolysis, the product which we get from these two conversion methods is going to be fuel gas or bio oil. But while doing the conversion method with the help of sugar and starch plants, what we do in the sense, we make them to get fermented. And after fermentation, after passing of hydrolysis, the resultant product which we get from these kinds of sugar and starch plant is going to be bioethanol. Similarly, the wet biomass will go under digestion conversion process. As it is having some moisture content, it is not possible for us to heat them. That is why we are taking them into a digester. This digestion conversion method will result in biogas. And the last resources, that is oil crops, will be extracted and esterified. That is, after the oil is extracted, the waste will be converted into a biodiesel product. At the market, we have four output products, that is heat, electricity, transportation fuels and the chemicals. These four are going to be the market products, and the first three, heat, electricity, and transportation fuel, plays a major role as a product which could be utilized regularly under this kind of biochemical conversion system. Here, I have shown you the microbial groups that are involved in converting them into the mono and oligomes, and after the long chain fatty acids have been subjected to hydrogen producing estrogens, which will result in carbon dioxide release and also acetic elastic processes. This will create us and convert the biochemical into an alternative resources which we have been expected. The benefits involved in biochemical conversion system are on-site farm energy, reduced orders, high quality fertilizers, reduced surface and groundwater contamination, pathogen reduction. These are the things which I have prepared for today's class. Is there any kind of doubt? You guys can ping me anytime. See you at the next class.